Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Guys, here you can see my result. I have got some interesting results from CPA Grip network. In this video, I'm going to share with you most effective ways to get some interesting results with CPA Grip network. You do not need to worry about any kind of skills and experience. No worry about any kind of traffic. I'm going to share with you step by step everything. You need to watch this full video. I'm going to share with you beginner friendly method. Here is a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your referred skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can go on CPA Grip network. You can click on sign up now button. It will then take you to this page. You can type here your first name, last name, your address, your email address, password. You can read and accept its terms of service. At last, you can click on register now button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see results. You can click on my offers button. You can select your United States country. Here you can see there are a lot of CPA offers to choose from. You can see this CPA offer is performing well. Here you can see performance of the CPA offer. You can click here to open the CPA offer. Here you can see title, here you can see landing page of the CPA offer. Here you can see payout rate. This CPA offer is only allowed on Android iOS in United States. Here you can see CPA link. You can use this CPA link to promote. If you have website, then you can add this CPA link on your website. If you do not have website, then you can create landing page. Let me show you how you can create landing page to promote this CPA offer. You can go on Google Sites. You can click here to open this blank template. Now you can delete this header section. You can type your site name. You can type your title. Click on text box. You can type your title. You can select this text. You can click here. Now you can select title style. You can make it bold. Now I'm going to insert your image. Click on images. Click on select button. Now click on link button. You can paste your image URL. You can go on CPA Grip network. Here you can see image. You can right click here. Click on copy image address button. Now go on Google site. You can paste your image URL. Here you can see image. You can click on insert button. Now you can drag this image here. Now you can type here some articles. Click on text box. Type here some articles. You can type here this kind of articles. Now I'm going to type here some text. Go on CPA Grip network. You can copy this text. Now go on Google site. You can paste here the text. Now I'm going to add your button. Click on button. You can type your button name. Now you can paste your CPA link. You can go on CPA Grip network. Here you can see CPA link. You can click here to copy the CPA link. Now go on Google site. You can paste your CPA link. Click on insert button. Now you can duplicate this button. You can drag this button here. Okay, after completing it, you can click on publish button. You can type your unique web address. Now you can click on publish button. Yeah, here we go. This Google site has published successfully. Now in next step, what you will have to do is, you will have to share this Google site to get visitors. I'm going to share with you most effective ways to get lots of visitors on this Google site. You can watch this full video without skipping any part. You can go on Google, you can search your Vids. You can click here to visit on this URL. Guys, Google Vids is a best platform. You can use this platform to create AI videos. You do not need to worry about any kind of skills and experience. You do not need to do any kind of hard work. You can click on get started button. Now you can sign in on Google Vids. After signing on Google Vids, you will then come to this page. Guys, you can click on AI video button. Now you can click here. You can type your prompt. You can type here this kind of prompt. I want to promote gift card CPA offer. Give me best video about it. A Russian girl is talking about gift card in English language. Give me safe video. You can type here this kind of prompt. Now you can click here. If you want to create shorts video, then you can select this option. You can also change your template. You can click here. Now you can change your video size. You can select portrait. Click on apply button. Now you can click on generate button. Guys, you need to wait some time. Google will generate AI video for you. It will take some time. Guys, here you can see video. You can click on insert button. Here you can see video. You can click here to play this video.
Look at this amazing gift card. You can get one too by signing up for our exclusive CPA offer. It's simple, fast, and highly rewarding.
Guys, if you want to edit this transcript, then you can click here. Now you can type your transcript. You can replace any of this transcript. Guys, similarly, you can add your more scene. You can click here. Now you can add your more scene. You can type your prompt. You can create here another scene. And then you can click here to insert this video. You can also make 1 minute video, 2 minutes video. If you want to delete this scene, then you can right click here. Now you can click on delete button. After making video, you can click on file button. You can click on download button. You can download this video in MP4. You need to wait some time. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can upload this video on social media networks like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and all social media networks. After uploading this video, you can add your Google site URL in description. For example, you can go on Facebook. You can click here. Now you can click here. You can select your video, click on open button. You can upload here your video. Now you can type here some text. You can type here this kind of text. Now you can paste here your Google site URL. You can go on your Google site. You can click on this link icon. Here is showing URL of this Google site. You can click here to copy this URL. Now you can go on Facebook. You can paste your URL. Now you can click here. You can search your USA location. I'm going to select California, USA location. Now at last you can click on post button. Now you need to wait some time. Guys, you can check your notification. Here you can see notifications. Your reel is ready to view. You can click here.
Look at this amazing gift card. You can get one too by signing.
Guys, here is showing my short video and here is showing Google site URL. This URL is clickable. Guys, users can click here to play this video.
Look at this amazing gift card. You can get one too by signing up for our exclusive CPA offer. It's simple, fast, and
users can click here to visit on this Google site. Here you can see Google site. It's looking great and attractive. When user from United States click on this button using Apple iOS device, then they are redirected on the CPA offers landing page. When that user will complete the required step, then CPA Grip may credit your account with the payout shown for this offer. Guys, using this method, you can get amazing results from CPA Grip network. You can also share your short video on Instagram, TikTok, Reddit, and all social media networks to get lots of users. If you want to learn more about CPA marketing, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.